Hello everyone! Welcome back to our ArtColorFun channel. Today, we're stepping into the sweet and charming world of my Melody, one of the most beloved characters from Sanrio. Known for her cute bonnet and kind heart, my Melody has captured the hearts of fans all over the world. Let's learn more about this adorable character. My Melody first appeared in 1975 and was created as a friend for little twin stars. She is a sweet and kind little girl rabbit who always wears a red or pink hood that her grandmother made for her. Her design has evolved over the years, but her signature hood and sweet demeanor have remained consistent. Early drawings show a slightly different style compared to the My Melody we know today. My Melody has many friends in the Sanrio universe, including her rival Kuromi, who often adds a bit of mischief to my Melody's otherwise serene life. Despite their differences, their interactions are always fun and engaging. Among her friends, my Melody is also close to Hello Kitty. They share a strong bond, and their adventures together are a delight to fans. Family is very important to my Melody. She has a mother, father, and a younger brother named Rhythm. They all live in the magical forest of Maryland. My Melody loves to bake cookies and share them with her friends. Baking is one of her favorite hobbies, and she often spends time in the kitchen creating delicious treats. Music is another passion of my Melody's. She enjoys listening to music and even plays a few instruments herself. Her musical talent is well loved by her friends and family. Over the years, my Melody has been depicted in various cute poses. Her playful and sweet nature shines through in each one. My Melody also loves celebrating different seasons and holidays. Whether it's springtime, Halloween, or Christmas, she's always dressed appropriately and brings festive cheer. Over the years, my Melody's popularity has led to a wide range of merchandise, from plush toys to accessories and home decor. Fans can bring a touch of my Melody's sweetness into their everyday lives with these delightful items. My Melody's charm extends beyond merchandise. There are themed cafes dedicated to her, where fans can enjoy my Melody-inspired dishes and drinks in a beautifully decorated setting. My Melody has also starred in her own TV shows and movies. These stories often highlight her kindness and the importance of friendship and family. Fashion collaborations featuring my Melody have been incredibly popular. She has appeared in various clothing lines, adding a touch of cuteness to everyday fashion. Fans also had the chance to meet my Melody at various events and meet and greets. These events are always filled with excitement and joy for both my Melody and her fans. My Melody is often seen in her signature hood, but she also loves to dress up for special occasions. Whether in her classic red hood or dressed up in festive attire, my Melody always looks adorable. My Melody has made her mark in pop culture, influencing various media and inspiring countless artists and creators with her sweet and kind nature. My Melody has a dedicated fan base who express their love through amazing fan art and creative projects. The community around my Melody is filled with talented and passionate individuals. My Melody is a shining example of the kindness and charm that Sanrio characters bring into our lives. Her sweet nature and timeless appeal continue to enchant fans of all ages. Thank you for joining us on this journey into my Melody's world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more character reviews. See you next time!